Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to add screenshot tab in home page on Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser, and Edge browser have different features, inbuilt feature that you can use to take a screenshot of a web page. Now, we want to see how we can simply add that screenshot inbuilt into our home page right here. So we can simply take a screenshot of any part of website on Edge browser. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and then you have to simply navigate to settings. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply go to appearance. Then we just have to scroll down all the way down and then see different tabs right here. So what we need to do here is to simply look for screenshot tab. So we have screenshot tab right here. Then what we need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. So once we turn it on, we have the screenshot tab from the top right here. So if I turn it off again, you can see the screenshot tab has been disabled. Then if I turn it on again, so it's going to come back just like what you see right here. Now we can simply screenshot from here. And for you to take a screenshot, we can simply come to the top right here, create a new tab. So we can make a screenshot of this entire page. What we want to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Then you can see a capture section, capture area, capture screen area, capture full page. This is depends on what we need. Let's say, for instance, I want to capture this particular point right here. We just need to drag, and then it has been captured. We can simply click on save right here, and then it's going to pop up and save into our window, into our PC. You can see it has been saved. So we can go back to our screenshot again. Let's say we want to capture the full web page. We can simply click on full page right here, and everything is going to capture just like what you see right here. Then we come to the top right here. We make sure we click on save, and it's going to be saved successful into our PC. We can close all the tabs. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add screenshot tab in Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.